Hi, my name's Kevin with Koopman Rentals again. Today we're going to be talking about the carpet extracting machine, and pretty basic, pretty easy to use machine. Start with some clean water in your soap solution that is available for purchase at Koopman Lumber, and the clean water goes right in the top of the machine. It'll hold up to 4 gallons at a time, but it kind of makes the machine a little heavy to maneuver around. It's easier if you start with 1 gallon or 2. If you have a clean bucket for moving water up to your machine, it makes it much easier. This is where your dirty water is going to end up, so you can take it outside or however you're going to dispose of the dirty water. So this is where your dirty water is going to end up. This sits right in that slot. This clear part will sit on top, and this handle will lock down onto that top to make the good seal with the connection there. Then you have your 1-on switch back to the position of the machine. If you were running an upholstery attachment, you would be rocking it to the upward position. These are just breakers which you shouldn't need to worry about. When you turn the machine on, again, it's just in a vacuum mode. There's a trigger on the underside of your handle here that is what will spray the solution down into the carpeting. The nature of the machine is it's going to spray and then scrub and then vacuum out what it is sprayed into your carpet. So you'd want to start against walls or anything that's not going to move and work your way backwards. That way too you're not walking on your damp clean carpet. The handle is adjustable to wherever it's comfortable for you to be operating it, and it locks back into position. And the trigger on the underside is what's going to spray the solution. So when you start the machine up, it's pretty much just a household vacuum until you spray the solution down, and that's what's going to be washing your carpeting. It's always a good idea to vacuum your floors before you use this machine, just with any dirt. Once it gets wet, it creates mud, which can make a bigger mess. So if you can vacuum your floors before you use this machine, it will make it more effective. One important note when disposing of the fluids that come out of the machine that you've cleaned out of your carpets is that you never want to put them into your kitchen sink, your bathroom sink, because of the traps underneath. The sediment that is in there will get trapped into it. You also don't want to put it into your shower drain. The best way to dispose of it is to bring it outside or to pour it down the toilet. Koopman Lumber offers a couple of different kinds of solutions for doing these machines. This is an extraction cleaner, which is used in the extraction machine. There's 2 different sizes depending how large of an area you're doing. Typically put 2 ounces per gallon of water of these. So if you have a lot of rooms to do, you may want to go with the bigger one. If you have a few rooms to do, you might want to go with the smaller one. With this product, you don't get a lot of foam like you would with a typical shampooing machine. The benefit to that is the carpet is actually cleaner when you have lots of suds in your carpeting. Dirt tends to stick to that soap as it dries, so this is actually a cleaner way to clean your carpets. They also offer this at Koopman Lumber, the Combi Clean, which can be used for your carpets or your upholstery. So you can do chairs that may have had a stain or something dropped on it, as well as your carpeting. Again, 2 ounces per gallon on either of those. As an add-on at Koopman Lumber, we also have this attachment available for the carpet extractor machine, which is used for doing your stairs or upholstery of a small couch or chair if you had a stain or something that you needed to remove from your furniture. For attaching the stair tool or upholstery attachment, it shows the diagram on top. It'll be the right hose that gets disconnected. So you'll pull that out and plug in the end for your vacuuming of the attachment, and the spraying end is on this end here, and a quick connect coupling. For the spraying end, you'll have the hose that comes off the back of the machine here and the quick connect coupling for your attachment. You'll pull the collar back, plug that in, and let the collar go. It's a little stiff. There are gaskets in there that are taking place. And you'll pull that collar back, unplug that to disconnect it, pull your vacuum line back out, put your black one back in, and it's ready for your carpeting again. Squeezing the trigger is what will spray out your solution. The vacuuming is done under here.